My name is Mark for Parts Express, here to demonstrate the new desk lamp magnifier. This magnifier acts as a nice desk lamp for your studying, where you're looking up, reading small print, all kinds of things that you can do with this desk lamp. It has two magnifiers on it. It has a 3 Doppler lens, which means it's 1.75 times magnifier. Then it has a 12 times Doppler lens, which means it's a 4-time magnifier. It has two different light modes. It has the warm white and also has a cool white, depending on how you prefer your lighting experience. It has a touch switch to turn it back off. It has a nice heavy weight to keep it sturdy on the desk. Then you can unclamp it, get rid of the base, and clamp it to a workbench. This way you have a more secure, and you take up less space. And again, you can start working on other projects like digital amplifier boards to look at chips and other components on the board to read the lettering so that you can see what you have to replace or how it's made. Desk lamp is powered by a micro USB port. The cord comes with it. You do need one of the old USB type power cords that you have laying around for your cell phone or anything else, or you can plug it into a computer USB port to power it there, or even portably you can plug it into a battery pack that has a USB port. You can also plug it in even in mobile situations where you have a cigarette lighter plug that has the USB port on it. So you can see this light is very versatile and you can use it almost anywhere.